Hi guys, I'm gonna show you something that um you should be able to do in macOS, but you can do this automatically in Windows. Windows automatically detects desktop audio. So basically, when I go over to my audio or the sound effects, click here, you hear the sound effect. Okay, so basically to get there is a couple steps. So basically first you have to do is basically type in a command. So the first thing you need to do, I'm opening this, is basically go to type in on here, type in terminal, CER, you don't have to spell it, terminal, open it. So basically after that, you type in SUDO SPCTI, SPCTL, and then you press space between both after sudo and after spctl, and then after that there's a space and you type in dash dash master dash disable. You do that, and basically then when you go to security and privacy, gatekeeper is security and privacy. You general gatekeeper should be um anywhere. That should be checked. Then after that, let's see. Let's see. Then we go to here. Then after that, once that's done, you basically find this app right here by downloading it off of. I've downloaded off of an audio website. So you install it. Type in because after you type in this command, you have to enter in your Mac password, which because of the sudo command. After that, you type in you basically install this. Have to type in your Mac password. Done, and you'll get, for example, your the app installed. Oops, wrong folder. So you'll get your app folder installed. You'll actually get the folder installed on your Mac. Then you basically open up wrong folder again. So then you open up your actual applications folder, and then once you open your application folder, you have to then find the app which is called Ground Control Cube. Right click, and then press show contents. Okay. Then after you do that, you click on contents. Then you click on here, press open with, then text edit app. Basically, then you press save it to the desktop, copy this name right here, and then rename the actual app, removing the text file. After you take this, which is at the very bottom, go one above that, put in these commands, which is this right here, and then you basically press save. It saves to save it to desktop, rename it, then drag and drop it here, and then press the replace, and then you're done out of this folder. After you open it once and set it up with the basically 2-channel, and then your audio interface or your headphone amplifier. After that, you then basically go into OBS and add the 2-channel by going, you go to settings, and then if you go to settings, you basically, once you go to settings, you then go to where it says audio, then you go to desktop audio, or if you want to add the desktop audio globally. If you don't want to add it globally, add it to individual places by basically clicking on the plus button and then going to audio devices and then adding desktop audio to certain scenes. So you basically don't have to have it globally. I have it globally because of I pretty much would prefer it everywhere, but that probably would be better just to add in separate scenes. And then after that, once you press the two channel, the ground control two channel, you basically then press cancel. And if you do that, you press OK. I press cancel because of I actually done with that. Then after that, you go to your sound settings or any way of testing audio. I go here, and then you could basically test it, and if desktop audio lights up, then it's done there. Then after that, you go to output, and once you go to output, you select the two channel. We have an issue with this, so after you do actually that, you actually click on this. It's your main audio device. So to fix this, you can basically switch between your audio interface and your actual two channel every time you want to record with OBS. But that would be kind of an issue because if you just still have two channels selected while not using OBS, then the sound would just go through OBS and basically you won't hear anything through your actual headphones with when like OBS is open. And then if you have your capture card, your actual sound card set up, your audio interface, whatever you use, set to basically the main one, they can't hear desktop audio. So to fix that, you open up you basically go into Spotlight, type in audio to MIDI, and then you get audio devices. So for example, webcam I have. So this one is the Scarlett Solo, which is mine. So basically then you press the plus button right here, and you create MIDI output device, and then you go to here and select the sound control two channel, the ground control two channel, and then the Scarlett Solo USB, which is the interface. Make sure you install your interfaces drivers if they have any compatible, and then set it to 48 kilohertz. Make sure the master device is your Scarlett Solo, so that comes out the Scarlett Solo first before. Because if you have to have the sound, the ground control set to first, it goes from the ground control then to the Scarlett Solo, which means there'll be some latency. So if you have the master device as the Scarlett Solo, it'll go through the Scarlett Solo first, and then to the actual ground control, which there'll be latency for that, but not much since it's desktop audio. And after that, you basically select them both, press OK, and then after that you go back to your sound settings, go to output, and whatever you named the multi-channel audio, you basically set it to I set mine to standard OBS, and then you set that as your main device. Make sure to have your input set to your microphone or whatever you're using, and then after that, you then go over to sound effects or any music you actually want to play. Press it once, and you should get that. And so that is if you want to just use that. That's basically the free version, but this software is kind of hard to actually find because of every link I checked that had it links to the main website, and this website basically is not online right now. So basically, I have to literally scour the internet for this. If you need the file, just ask me and I'll send it to like you in like an email. Um and let's see. There's that. So when you wanna record with OBS and make sound audio, you just have to basically make sure basically that's selected, and it automatically adds it. And so when you are doing stuff like for example the Stream Deck one, I can show you a video about that another day. So um I'm just gonna explain quickly, but the Stream Deck drivers are basically just drivers, but they don't basically auto populate the application, so auto populate the actual image. So you have to create custom image covers for actually them. So yeah, um, hope you liked the video. Shows you how to get audio. The only thing that doesn't work so far for actually me is is um is MIDI control, which is MIDI control just doesn't work. It just crashes every time. So I'm gonna try after this. Thanks for watching. Bye.